why the dream is important? So someone said dream help us to resolve our repressed issue and problem. So how we will paint this dream? So we sneak into what person could thought about by revisualizing his visualization. So what our idea is, so we are trying to reconstruct the stimuli of a person with the help of Generative Adversarial Network. It's a deep learning framework. So how we will do that? We have a EEG dream device, and we will collecting the data through that device, and we'll try to do that. I'll explain all the thing later. So what GAN exactly is? GAN is used to generate data similar to the training data set distribution from scratch. So in our case, we are creating image similar to that of our training data set. So in GAN, we have two things, like a generator and another one is a discriminator. So generator tries to create a training set image from scratch, while the discriminator check whether the generator is actually generating training set image or not. So here you can see in the picture that input is given to the generator. Generator is generating some image, and there is some real data with the green line. So the detective means that discriminator will try to decrease the loss between both the images, and hence in this way new images will be generated. So we are leveraging this particular technique to generate the something from our data while we dream or we sleep. So here's our workflow. So we will give some trigger or stimulus to the person, so that he will dream in particular direction. So then we will collect the EEG data, and then we will extract its feature, and then it will pass through the GAN, and source image will be generated. So this is the workflow inside our GAN network. So from a person's head, the brain signal will be passed to encoder. Then the EEG features will be extracted here, and these features are passed through the generator. So here generator is generating one image, and for training purpose, we will pass this real image here. So on the basis of this real image and generated image, the discriminator will set its weight accordingly. So we will train our model, and it will set it weights accordingly. And now that when our model will be trained, so discriminator will have certain set of weights. So for that certain set of weights, we will pass. Then for that we will. So now our model will be trained with our generator and discriminator will be trained with right set of weights. So then we will pass the raw EEG signal from a person who is dreaming or who is sleeping or who is in a stage of dream, so that the image will be generated. So here the similar workflow is there. So in pre-processing, we use here a car, which is a spatial filtering technique. So we also try to do emotion recognition also from the person who is dreaming also. So here we referred one paper, like we tried to find how, the earlier work in that direction. So there are a lot of work done in this direction. So we found this paper by Zhang et al. So here you can say source image. These images are shown to the person, and the image are reconstructed. So these are results we got on our system. So we were successful in getting this result from this paper. Okay, so this is our screenshot of our screen as we were working till now. Like you can see timing and all, and our model is still running. So it is giving very motivating result from. So all this thing is taken from this paper. So those source image were shown to the person, and these images were reconstructed from those source images. You can see in the 3 line. So it will go to around 100 iteration, and then the real image will be reconstructed. So we could, because of low computational power we have, so we could only generate these 3 till now, and it is still running in my system. So what our future goal is, actually there is one video. So so now our future goal is to generate, we were able to generate the shapes But this is from Kemitani lab. So now our future goal is generate the real-time image from the dreams. So if we can generate the shapes, then I think there is a greater possibility of doing that. So in after this, we will be looking in this direction to generate the real-time images from our data. So this is all from our team.
Okay, the dream painters. This was very nice. Thank you very much. Natalie, can you maybe come online?
I am, and I can hear you. Hi. Can you see me?
Yes, yes, I see you.
Very good.
So how do you like the project?
I really like it. I have to say, I am quite impressed by what they have done in such a short time. You know, applying these GANs is not an easy task, and I really like the analogy to Freud and the way where it could take us. Really, really nice work. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So this was the third team. Jury, please go to the Excel sheet and score again. Remember, 10 is the highest score, 1 the lowest. And I can also already see Francesco, our next presenter. This is team number 4, Dele B. Arm.